Everyone, what you are seeing is a similar stuff of empty land in gardens behind the home with the stones and rocks and in the desert. Now, after moving here, gentleman Mr. Noor has created the mini garden forest, right? These are the things, how many parts is single-handedly with the help of gardener. Earlier they were using it with chemicals and other stuff, actually the potting soil, and I was really impressed the way he, after joining the group, he was asking the soil fertility, natural way, 100% natural way, and then he completely thrown away all the chemical stuff, other thing, he didn't buy anything, and then started growing everything from the like rice wash water, kitchen waste, composting, all those stuff. So here, see how he made it, the garden beautifully. So many parts, because she is taking every bit of effort to make it more beautiful. He has grown a lot of vegetables well, but he will explain now how he has made it. Mr. Noor, here, okay. Now, here actually very beautiful indeed, and the transformation from using chemical to converting 100% natural way. You moved this flat last August, right?
Yes.
So now he changed it, within a few months, like around 6-7 months to with the order. You already mentioned in a group in Telegram actually that 6 months I have transformed completely to a natural gardening. So which made to do this completely, and now you keep going it. So you can explain yourself.
We moved here last August. We love gardening, and I'm blessed to be associated with this group, which, like Abdul just mentioned, I bought a lot of organic chemicals. I was not aware. Then I learned how to move and make composting and of all the food stuff which we used to make at home, the skins of vegetable. And we're lucky we created 2 composts here. One is already here, one half already two big pot. And with the rice water, again, we are doing more of composting, creating 3-4 more of cans, or I'll say pot of the composting. The whole water is like, it's lovely to see this nature and the birds coming on it. And
sorry to interrupt here actually, because people try to buy birds and put it in their home. Rather, this is actually, you are creating a garden. People, used to wonder, like, okay, there are every kind of birds are here, and they are making a nest here, and they're enjoying happily the moment. You are enjoying happily as well. Spending time, quality time in the evening, particularly. Coming back from office, and this is something a lovely environment to have. Even I felt very happy to see such amazing, like a colorful gardening. That's what I could say that.
Thank you so much. And in this journey, really, 2 people are really helped. But my wife, she got inside, and Taimur is also
Okay.
guy. He has really helped me here. It's lovely, this garden, and the group and the gardens I've got from this group has been great. If you see, the transformation is from organic to natural. And I'll show you this land. This is a small pot of land. I'll show you how much rocks we collected from it, like a small.
You can construct a home.
Yes, you can do that, and it's there. I can show you in the last.
So when I keep digging the ground, actually you will find a lot of stones and rocks and many stuff.
This was a barren land. This was completely desert before 6 months back. Like across that pavement.
Yeah, that's what I was shown here. It was like this. Now Mr. Noor has changed it to like this. So that's the transformation actually. Like,
I love it. I want to share it, something nice, beautiful, which is transforming. It's just God, nature's given gift, and we are just thriving and enjoying this.
really wonderful effort.
Thank you so much.
So these are the rocks, the stones extracted from the land, the small area where he is having a garden. So look at this all collected, he put it here. So this is it. and now we are entering here actually. So this is the area towards here. Now we are meeting Mrs. Noor. What's your name actually?
I'm Rebecca.
Okay.
Hi.
So really impressive way, Mr. Noor has transformed. And he's saying my backbone of this, my wife always actually supports a lot and giving a lot of rice water. Yeah, rice water, rice
Rice
water.
beetroot water, onion water.
Okay.
All the water is possible.
Okay.
They say, behind every successful man is a woman.
Mm.
And then behind every successful woman, there's a man. But behind every successful garden, there's a man and woman.
Oh, that's the first time. It's so
And
fantastic.
a wonderful group. I would say a lot to the group because I have learned a lot.
It was very, as I said to you earlier, actually, it was very pleasing. He's in a group, he was almost on 6 months, 8 months, something, he's in a group of Tamil. But still, 90%, he said, we used to communicate in English. So I didn't know him, actually, he's from not Tamil speaking, but still, when he was communicating individually, like, I told him, okay, do this and do this. I said, okay, but I didn't ask him, like, well, are you speaking Tamil, actually? But since we told in English, it was fine, actually. So he was comfortable. But that's what really, I should give double applause to him. He didn't say anything like, okay, come on. And still he did a wonderful, that's the kind of, it's a fairy garden actually, like I would say that. Superb effort actually, like just to go around little bit here actually. Oh, the part you have taken out little bit of, then you kept it such a way. Papaya and this curry leaves, all greeny,
and
bushier.
brinjal and all the vegetables are
See, this is the way he's digging. This is the flat basically. So down is, this is the stones and this thing and all. See, the mint, ajwain, chilies, and you can see that mint, brinjal. Chili varieties. He has grown many tomatoes. Now it's more actually. I have seen earlier. He has grown other vegetable and fruits. The beauty is, he was trying to grow everything even in the pot also. And this is the compost. He's making it from using kitchen waste. This was earlier he bought putting something, and now after joining our group actually he started making everything from the kitchen waste itself, kitchen waste glory, zero budget gardening. And these are the tools. These are small vegetable patches of again potatoes from the used one, and this is lime. He transferred to pot.
There are carrots here.
and all those chili trees are chilies.
I have seen chili.
And these are carrots.
Oh, beautifully now. Even those greens can be eaten actually, like very.
Yeah.
And this is that what do you call that onion, spring onions.
Yeah, that's pomegranate. This one is pomegranate actually.
Yeah.
Uh,
Flowers are come.
okay.
Flowers come.
You're so inspiring when you're coming.
Wow. I didn't think about doing this. I thought I'll just take photographs.
No, these are sweet memories actually. Always, when we look back, how we transformed actually from 6 months before of a barren land like this, and we transferred to such a wonderful pathway. So like so greenery.
This is pineapple
Okay. This is from how you grown from the.
from the cutting.
Okay. So all cutting and waste actually has been regrown.
That's our job. That's our portrait.
Portfolio. Jasmine, wow.
Yeah.
The rice was water showing that bliss.
Yes. And today also we put rice water.
Oh my God. How many, mashallah, how many birds actually are around? Small plant. People are talking about, okay, birds is not growing. And with the pruning and rice was water under the full sunlight, so look at that. Superb. These are the composting LEDs he made. The blue color what you are seeing here, the flowers actually from the I'll show you there at the end. So it's fallen from here, and this tree, chase tree here, You'll see that. So the fallen flowers actually, it's not any chemicals. It's all see the grassland also he made it so beautifully. Using a gardener, he had a setup in the stones in the corner. So NCL, when you enter actually you can have a nice evening snack or having a tea in the garden with the, all the birds around. It's so wonderful.
And we enjoy to have a tea there in our balcony, watching
Okay.
all the birds and the nature.
Oh, that's true.
Daily morning I will come and sit down here with a small stool and have my tea there mostly.
So,
Afternoon, I watch the surface of the birds.
okay.
Free.
And we will be putting all those grain for the birds to
Yeah.
come in. So all the birds now, even
Okay.
sometimes she whistles and they come on the
Oh,
ledge.
so now they found a new mother actually.
The partridge and see?
Come on, we are talking about you only now.
Yeah, they're saying yes, yes, very nice.
Mother is here, okay, we are. So you can see that happiness in both of your faces, like a what you call pink in spirits. That is wearing a little bit of pink. Great, actually. So looking forward, keep inspiring many people because let us spread the happiness and awareness so that everyone around actually they will think about 100% natural way, because nowadays you see that people are almost literally crying for oxygen, whereas one tree can take care of two people oxygen needs actually. So growing more trees and easily we can fruit trees can be grown in the sowing by seed balls actually also. So this kind of efforts when you're making someone is inspiring, so let it go in long way. So wonderful couple, all the best, may God bless you more and more with and inspire.
The entire group as well.
Thank you so
much.
Thanks for inspiring.
Thank you.
We are there, we are inspired because of the group and you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you
Noor.
so much.
Thank you, bye.